Hi guys, welcome to Trazon.com. This is Mohit Soni, and right in front of you is the Aprilia SR160. What we showcased you earlier was the SR160 race. This is the SR160. We finally ridden it. This is the BS6 version. It was showcased at the Auto Expo, and it's been updated to BS6. And there are a couple of changes here and there, so let me show you that. In terms of design, you can see this is the new paint scheme, red and black, more focused on red than on black. You get this standard Aprilia A sticker on the side, 160 badging here, halogen lamps, not LEDs yet. These are the black alloy wheels here, 14-inch alloy wheels. This is a 160 version, so it gets ABS, disc brake at the front, and everything else pretty much remains the same. You have these nice grab rails here. I think they're a bit too, as you can see, not everybody can grab onto it really well. They could have been more spacious, more thinner to get a proper grip, but nevertheless, this is the seat, single tone seat, contrast stitching. There is the lock here. There is no button for the seat opener like other scooters have, but what you have to do is manual, old school style, anti-lock click. There is the space here for only knickknacks. That's the area for the battery. That's the USB, petrol clip here to secure something or do something with it. Overall, it cannot cannot have any sort of helmet. Those are the clocks, pretty much same as usual. These buttons just do trips, that is it. And this clock here, this is all very nice and much more improved over the previous version, but this is still very old school in terms of switch gear. You get the pass light button with the high beam, but there's no hazard light or anything. Quality, finish, quality is alright. Finish could be better in multiple places. There are rough edges, screws not fixed properly. I think Aprilia needs to fix that part, but in terms of everything else, it remains pretty much the same. It looks like a focused enthusiast scooter. It has that kind of horsepower, it has that kind of torque, it has that kind of look, very purposeful, short, stubby look. It looks very sporty. That's the reason why it's one of the best enthusiast scooter in the country. Also because the way it rides, it's very stiff. There is a hint of compliance, so it's not entirely bone jarring, and you won't grind your teeth over potholes. Well, almost, because it's on the raggedy edge of grinding your teeth because the suspension is that stiff. You can manipulate the air pressures, but then again, you should set it as what is recommended. And in terms of engine, like I said earlier in my multiple videos, BS6 makes scooters or any other vehicle around the country, around the world, more linear, more smooth, less on noise, vibration, harshness, less on exhaust note and intake note. And that's what the case is with this scooter as well. Very smooth, very linear, feels much more refined. It's a bit loud. You can still make out the fact that it's an Aprilia or Vespa scooter coming in with the kind of exhaust note that it has, the intake note that it has, but then it continues to pretty much the same in the way it has been. And it's very much fun to ride. Good brakes, good suspension, good tires. As always, they hold up in the wet as well as in the dry. We've got that situation right now in the country, so we can tell you that. Seat height, ergonomics, very low seat height, very compact front here. Taller riders will have to sit quite behind. They can feel at home, but they may look odd, but they can feel at home in terms of ergonomics. Seat also very supportive to a large extent. And yeah, in terms of stability on the highway, it's very good. You can this is the SR160, so it can do 120 kilometers an hour at ease because it has more top end bias than the race, which has low end focused torque. And yeah, that's what the riding experience is with the SR160. I told you earlier the price, it's 10,000 cheaper than the race, so that makes it 1,04,000 rupees ex showroom here in Pune. And good value if you ask me, because it's a focused enthusiast scooter. You don't get a lot of gadgets and gizmos that you get with some other scooters. What you get is way more performance than those scooters, and a focused enthusiast performance scooter that we've all loved the moment this scooter came in the Indian market, and it continues to be that same. Aprilia has this niche in their hands, and with the kind of performance and pedigree that they always offer, the SR160 remains one of the best scooters to buy in the Indian market for motorcycle and scooter enthusiasts. I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hit that notification bell, subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment if you want to ask anything, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.